special guest with me, Imani. Hi. And today we're going to be making slime. So we're going to show you guys what you need, and then let's get started.
So what you need is something to mix with. Something to mix in, some glue, some detergent, and something to mix with. The detergent is Arm & Hammer's detergent. Not all detergents work. So you also need, and you don't have to, but this is optional, SpongeBob SquarePants bubble pen. And you could also use some food coloring. So yep, let's get started. So when you think it's ready, you should pick it up and test the consistency, right, Kaylee?
Imani has it in her hand.
You have to keep on testing the consistency, because if you don't, you just have to knead together. It seems like really gross at first, but it'll just like get the feel to your hands in a few seconds or minutes, or whatever.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys back when the slime is all kneaded together.